Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. The Aperol Spritz is an absolute must-try for any cocktail lover. It's bubbly, citrusy, herbal, and perfectly balances bitter and sweet. So let's dive right in and get this thing started.
Basement bartender.
The Spritz came into popularity in the 1800s when merchants, soldiers, and politicians visited Italy. Italian wines are a lot stronger than foreigners were used to, so water was added to make it more palatable. In the early 1900s, to increase the complexity, bitters were added. And with the creation of Aperol in 1919, the Aperol Spritz was born. Aperol is an aperitivo. It's designed to be consumed before a meal to prepare the stomach for digestion and whet the appetite. Traditionally, a true Aperol Spritz calls for Italian Prosecco, but choose whatever sparkling wine suits your palate. We're going to build this directly in a stemmed glass with ice. The recipe is easy to remember. 3, 2, 1.
What the f does that mean, Kobe Bryant?
3 ounces of sparkling wine, 2 ounces of Aperol, and 1 ounce of club soda.
You're welcome.
I like to squeeze an orange wedge to bring out the Aperol citrus flavors, and add the wedge to the glass as garnish. No stirring, no shaking, just drinking. Cheers. The bittersweet flavors, aromatic botanicals, and low ABV make this a great sipper while you prepare for your meal. Click those buttons and watch more videos. We'll see you next time.